Okay, in this video, we are gonna go over GCF and LCM. LCM, you will need it later when you add and subtract fractions. GCF, you need to know it to simplify fractions. So what does LCM represent? L is for least, C is for common, M is for multiple. And GCF stands for greatest common factor. So for LCM, you can use the multiplication table. GCF, you can use the factors table. So what is the factors table? Here, these are you can find all the factors. For example, 1 is 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. You have only two factors. This is a prime number. 3, 1 times 3 is 3. This is a prime number. 4 is 1 times 4. 2 times 2. This is a composite number. 5 is 1 times 5. This is a prime number. 6 is 1 times 6. Always 1 and the number is 7. 2 times 3. If you are not sure, you can look at the multiplication table and see 6 is 6 can be it's a product of 23. 2 times 3 makes 6. 7 is 1 times 7, so this is a prime number. 8 is 1 times 8, and it's an even number. 2 times 4. Composite number. 9 is 1 times 9. 3 times 3. Composite number. You have 3 factors. 10 is 1 times 10. 2 times 5. Composite number. 11 is 1 times 11. This is prime number. You have only 2 factors. 12, you have 1 times 12. 2 times 6. 3 times 4. Composite number. 13, 1 times 13. This is a prime number. 14, 1 times 14. 2 times 7. Composite number. 1 times 15. 3 times 5 makes 15. Composite number. 16, 1 times 16. 2 times 8. 4 times 4. So you can fill out the factors table first and then use these when you find the GCF. So I'm just gonna finish this page, but you can finish the next pages and find factors. 18, 1 times 18, what else? If it's an even number, you can divide by 2. 2 times 9, 3 times 6. Composite number. 19 is 1 times 19. This is a prime number. 20, 1 times 20. 2 times 10. If it ends with 0, it's always a multiple of 5. So 4 times 5 makes 20. 21, 1 times 21. 3 times 7. 22, 2 times, I'll start with the 1 times 11 and 2 times, sorry. I'll do this one again. So 3 times 6, 1 times 22, and then 2 times 11. 1 times 23, it's a prime number. So you can kind of finish this page on your own and check your answers with me. But let's use the factor table to find the GCF. Okay, so here you have 4 and 6. You have to find the LCM, also find the GCF. So for LCM, you're gonna list all the factors. So you are gonna use the multiplication table. 4, you have 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5, 20, and it goes on. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4 is 24. Goes on. But what is the same number you see? You have 12 and 12. And this is the smallest number. Here, 4 times 6 is also 24. So you have 24. These are the same numbers. But you have to choose the least smallest number. 12 is less than 24, so 12 is the GCF. I mean the LCM, sorry. 12 is the LCM of 4 and 6. And what is the GCF of 4 and 6? We have to find factors. And we already found here 4, you have 1, 2, 4. For 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. These are factors. So you have 1, 2, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. So what is the GCF? What is the same number? What are the common factors? You have 1 and 1. 2 and 2, these are common factors. But what is the greatest number among the common factors? 2 is the GCF. So 2 is the GCF of 4 and 6. Let's try a couple of more examples. So what are the multiples of 12? We have 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. And it goes on. What are the multiples of 8? 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. You can go on, but we already found that you have 24. 24. This is the smallest multiple of these two numbers. So 24 is the LCM. And what are the factors of 12 and 18? You can go to the factor table. 12, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. And 8, you have 1, 2, 4, 8. So you can use the factor table. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. For 8, you have 1, 2, 4, 8. So let me use a different color so you can see better. So what are the common factors? We have 1, 2, 4. So you have 3 common factors. You see the same numbers, but what is the greatest number? Is 4. So 4 is the GCF. And 3 and 9. I'll go back to blue. What are the multiples of 3? You have 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4 is 12, it goes on. What are the multiples of 9? 9 times 1, 9, 9 times 2, 18, 9 times 3 is 27. But we found that you have 9 and 9, so 9 is the LCM of 3 and 9. And what are the factors of 3 and 9? We know that 3 is a prime number. It has only 2 factors, 1 and 3. 9, you have 1, 3, 9. So what is the GCF? 3 is the GCF. And you have 8 and 7. So something you have to know is if one of the number is a prime number, then it might be hard to find the LCM, but you will find out. So let's try this. So 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 3, 24, 8 times 4, 32, 8 times 5, 40, 8 times 6, 48, 8 times 7, 56, 8 times 8, 64, and goes on. 7 times 1, 7, 7 times 2, 14, 7 times 3, 21, 7 times 4, 28, 7 times 5, 35, 7 times 6, 42, 7 times 7, 49. You don't see the same numbers, right? But what is 7 times 8? It is 56. So 56 is the LCM. And because 7 is a prime number, for A, your factors are 1, 2, 4, A. Factors of 7 are 1 and 7. 7 is a prime number. GCF is 1. So you can try the rest of the page and check your answers with me. These questions, you have 3 numbers. You can skip these. Or if you want to try, you can try them and check your answers with me. But with the 3 numbers, you can try them or you can skip them.